Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you're signed into the Google account that holds the images you want. Once done, open Photos. Google, on a browser or the Google Photos app on your phone. Make sure the account avatar at top right matches the one with your backups. This avoids searching the wrong library. If you rely on automatic backups, check Backup and Sync is on so recent uploads appear. Now that you're in the right account, move to locating photos efficiently with albums and search. You'll now narrow down images. Use the search bar to type people's names, places, or objects. Google Photos recognizes faces and scenes, so it's often faster than scrolling. Make sure to switch among photos, albums, and shared so you don't miss collaborative or archived content. Once you find a set, use filters like favorites, archived, or device folders to isolate what you need. If you want a specific date range, scroll the timeline or enter a month and year to jump directly to that period. You can open any image to view full resolution, pinch to zoom, or tap the info icon to see date and location metadata. This helps verify the file. When you need a local copy, choose Download or Export from the three-dot menu. On mobile, use Save to Device. If expected photos don't appear, make sure you're in the correct Google account, check the trash and archive folders, and confirm Backup and Sync was enabled on the original device. These steps fix most missing photo problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.